Welcome to Canyon Hobbies. We appreciate you joining us. We're going to do an unboxing today. A lot of fun things coming out for this Christmas season, and one of our favorites is the new Losi Micro B. Now, for those that have been in the hobby for a little bit, you know about the Micro B because they had it back in the day. I actually have a Micro T from back in the day to show you. This is, I mean, why a micro? Why not, right? Cute little cars, fast, zippy. There is a few differences with the new one. Just before I even unbox it, you can see that it has oil-filled shocks. I don't remember this one having oil-filled shocks, so that's pretty cool. You also have fully proportional electronics, which means everything is proportional, which is nice. And it looks good too. So let's get to it. Let's get opening this. I had a knife here somewhere. Maybe we can get into it. Alright. Always take a whiff every time you open something new. It smells good. I'd like to point out the box. That was the first thing that I noticed. It's a little bit different boxing than Losi's done before. It has a window. We don't see that with a lot of RCs, so it's kind of cool to see the car through the window before you even buy it. Alright, so out of the box we got the Spectrum charger. Looks like it came with the USB plug, which is nice. Our pack of goodies with AA batteries, which is nice. Thanks, Losi. Traxxas doesn't do us that nice when they send stuff. And then we got a wrench and some Allen keys there. And it looks like it's the SLT2 for the remote, which seems to be a pretty common remote on a lot of the Horizon stuff these days. Decent remote, sometimes hard to calibrate and bind, but we're getting it figured out. And then for the cute little car, I don't see any body clips, so that's might be nice. Because I have to admit, on my old one, I broke the body clip off, and so the body doesn't even stay on very well. Alright, after a couple of zip ties, she's out of there. Alright, so just at a glance, they made it look a lot like the Mini B, which is one of my favorite little cars. Super fast, does the track really well, so I can imagine this one's going to be similar, and we'll take it on a test drive here in another video so you can see how it does. I'm guessing Velcro, so I'm going to pull on it and hope it doesn't ruin something. Yeah, just Velcroed on body. Full Spectrum 2-in-1 electronics with an axial servo. Does have a servo saver on it, looks like, but it looks pretty much identical to a Mini B, which kind of excites me. I think it's a great design. There's a lot of things you can do to it. I'm sure there'll be some cool parts, weights, different things like that that'll come out for this. It'll be fun to see how it drives. But for now, you got a metal chassis, just like the Mini B. All independent suspension, which is nice. It's got the mid motor, which definitely helps out. But there you go, exciting. Let's take a look at the battery, if I can figure out how to open it without looking at the instructions. Well, it's got a little door over here. This door folds up, it looks like, and you can get the battery out. So there you go. Battery comes out the side with a little door. You can see the door. And it's a little 350 battery with a balance port on it, which is nice. So don't mind that at all. Let's get it charged up and we'll make another video. But yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for joining us.